is my go-to paint recipe. It produces great results every time. I use it in most of my artwork. It leaves a smooth, level surface on the painting, has great cell action, and makes my paint go a long way for cheap. There are only 3 ingredients in this recipe: paint, distilled water, and Floetrol. Floetrol is a latex-based paint conditioner. You can find it at your hardware store. I buy mine off of Amazon. It's only about $6 or $7 a bottle. And I will leave a link in the description box below. So here are the ratios that I typically use in this recipe. I add how much paint I need. Add my paint, and I add about the same amount of the Floetrol. This is not exact, but 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol is what I go for. You can do more or less, but this is the recipe that works for me. Okay, their paint and Floetrol's mixed together, and it's very thick. As you can see, it's barely even running off of the stick. So then I'm going to add my water until it is as thin as I want. And in some paintings, I might want it a little bit thicker, and in others, I might want it a little thinner. Check out my video up here on how to get the right consistency when mixing, and also check out my list of the most helpful tips that I have found out for mixing paints. And there you go. This is ready to pour on a canvas. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I wish you the best in your fluid art journey, and I will see you in another video. Bon appetit!